Alright, we're here with Orel Miller, man of the match. 2 goals. First of all, how are you feeling?
Feeling wonderful.
Come closer.
Wonderful.
Feeling good?
Yeah,
You guys were losing 1-0 at halftime. What was the coach's instruction?
he told us that we were playing absolutely well. Just need to connect the passes and make more runs. And we did it.
And you scoring it double. So first of all, you scored the first one. Good goal, wonderful goal. What was going through your mind at that point in time?
My confidence built. Yeah, my confidence built, so I say I must get another one.
I get the second one, the winner. How did that feel to know that, boy, this take us about ahead in the game?
It feels so wonderful. Can't even explain it.
How much goal you have now?
3.
3?
Yeah.
But so far, 2 in 1 day. This possibly the best 2 you have scored so far, right?
Best 2.
What's your assessment of your performance today?
It was good, but I could do much better. But I'm coming on.
You're coming on. These 2 goals, and what does it do for your confidence? You think more goals are coming now?
More are coming, more.
In pre-season, all the hard work you're putting in, you think that these 2 goals will just set everything apart from everything that you have done so far, all your performance and just push you to go forward harder?
Yes, it will do.
All right. Bless up yourself here, Miller. Big up.